The way forward, guys, is to plant more trees, and I will recommend that you take opportunities from the local council, from land care, the local government to actually volunteer and plant some trees. The government has given funding, um, and they need people to go and plant some trees, guys. So my resolution in the new year is to... Here's Petunia. Hi, Mama. Your tree is gone, Mama. Here's Petunia, guys. So my resolution is to actually go and plant some trees. There are some private companies that actually pay you to plant trees. You can do a holiday, maybe next holiday you can go with your kids and plant some trees and earn some money. That's what I plan to do with my daughter. Hi, Petunia. Hi, Mama. I'm sorry to what happened to you, Mama. She's not herself, guys. She's, looking at the tree and wondering what's happening. Not herself at all. This was too much for her. So yes, guys, if you see the number of trees that we're losing here in Queensland, you'll be shocked, guys. So let's do something about it, and let's go and plant some trees. I know people from Daisy Hill planted several trees in Daisy Hill Forest, and that's what we need to do. We need to, enlist with all these companies that plant trees, and maybe dedicate a holiday or a few days to going and planting some trees, whether volunteering with government, land care, or a paid position. I highly recommend we do this, guys, before it's too late.